2014 Chrysler 200 Touring in deep cherry red crystal pearl coat. Hot options include leather seats, power locks, power windows, automatic climate control, power seats, alloy wheels, and passed rigorous safety inspection performed by certified technician. Chrysler has done it again. They have built some terrific vehicles and this good-looking 2014 Chrysler 200 is no exception. This 200's engine never skips a beat. It's nice being able to slip the key into the ignition and not having to cross your fingers every time.